Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. If you're just joining me, my name is Rose, and on this channel we make simple and easy budget friendly recipe. On this episode we'll be making moi moi wrapped with leaf in a very unique way you have never seen before. So do well to stay tuned as we dive. Subscribers, you're highly welcome back. So today we have our washed beans. Yes, I washed it off camera because I don't want the video to be too long. I want it to be sharp video. Yes, so I added my peppers, my onion, seasoning cube, and some dried fish. Yes, I am using dried fish. I am not a fan of ice fish or chicken inside moi moi. In fact, I don't even like seeing anything inside my moi moi. And trust me, this recipe is a must try. It tasted really good. The flavor from the fish, crayfish, the egg, everything just matched each other, and it's out of this world. So yeah, I've added my crayfish and more egg. Now I am done blending my butter. You can see I added a little bit of salt and bleached my oil. This part is a must. You have to do this part. Trust me, you will come back and testify. Bleach your oil before you pour it into your moi moi butter, and it will elevate the taste of your moi moi to level 100. So now it is time to wrap it with the leaf. This is a very tricky part for beginners, but trust me, once you do it the first and the second time, you will get it right. If I tell you this is the first time I'm actually wrapping moi moi, you will not believe me. I've always watched my mom do it, and that is how I learned it. It's not hard. It's just a thing of practice. So I'm going to take you step by step on how I do it on the next slide. I did it slow there so that you can get it right. Do not panic, it is not difficult. So if the leaf is not wide, you need to use 2 leaves. First thing, you have to fold from the end corner of your leaf, your left hand side, fold it into the middle rib. First, second, and you fold it the third time. I'm going to repeat it again so that you can see it very well. The reason for folding this leaf is because you don't want your moi moi to loose. Yeah, you can see it. I'm doing it the second time. Repeat first, second, and third time. So you have to wrap it well to get this perfect cone shape. Can you see inside? This is how it should look like. You need to get the cone shape before you put in your butter. And another thing you should take note is your moi moi butter that you are using leaf to wrap should not be too runny. It should not be too light. It should be a little bit thick. You don't want your moi moi to run out of your leaf while you are cooking it. Can you see how that looks? It is easy and it is good. So this part is the part that I want you to pay attention on. This is relating to how things happen in our various lives. I'm using one of these leaves because it looks bigger, and it is big. So I fold in first, second, and the third time before bending it backward. Yes, you have to bend it backward to secure it there. So why I say this is one of those things that happens around us. As a content creator, most of the time we post videos without errors. So this is one of the errors, some of the things that we don't show you as content creator, but these are basically some of the things we go through in our various lives. Where we are doing anything in our life, we make mistake, and in the process of making mistakes, some of us just give up. This is a way to let you know that don't give up. When you make mistake in anything you are doing, dust yourself, clean it up, and continue moving, just like I did with this leaf. I did not change the leaf. I did not trash the batter. Neither did I trash the leaf. What did I do? I cleaned it up and wrap it again. That is all what life is all about. Now we are done prepping our moi moi. At this moment, if you are enjoying this video, all you need to do is to give me a thumbs up. Like this video, comment, drop me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow my channel. Thank you all as you do that, and God bless you. Yeah, as you can see, our moi moi is ready. This video is short, simple, and very educative. This is how your moi moi should look. Any other moi moi is secanta. Let me hang it there. Can you see how soft and silky this is? And it tasted really good. The flavor from the leaf and everything. So, guys, will you be trying out this recipe? Do wait to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.